Hi! Okay, so today we're going to talk about subtraction involving regrouping. And the number that we're going to be doing this with today is going to be 301 minus 66. So some things we need to go over before we get started are going over the place values one more time. So as you can see, the 1 and the 6 are both in the ones place. The 0 and the 6 are both in the tens place. And the 3 is in the hundreds place. So we're going to start by modeling the largest number in our manipulatives so that way we can see just exactly how to do this as well as write the problem out. So we're going to take 3 of the big blocks and we're going to put them here. We're not going to put anything in the tens places because there's a 0 there. But we are going to take 1, 1, and we're going to put it in the ones place. Okay, so now we have 301. So when you start this problem, you're going to want to start in the ones place. So you're going to do 1 minus 6. So 1, take away 6. So 1, oh no, we don't have enough to subtract. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to borrow from the tens place. But the 10 place has a 0, and that's not going to work. So we're going to have to borrow from the hundreds place. So we're going to take the 3 hundreds that we have. We're going to take away the 1, and that 1 block is equal to 10 10 strips, because it takes 10 10 strips to make a hundreds block. So we're going to put 10 10 strips in the place of the hundreds block, and then we're going to change it on our problem. So we're going to change the 0 to a 10, because now we have 10 little strips in the tens place. All right, so now we're going to look back again. And we're going to subtract 1 minus 6. 1. Oh no, we forgot about the ones place. So to get the ones place, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to borrow from the tens place because now the 10 has more than the bottom number. So we're going to take 1 away from the tens place, which will make it 9. So we're going to take this 9 and we're going to give it to the ones place. But they're not the same. One is small and one is long. So we want to make them equal. And again, it takes 10 ones to get to a 10. So we're going to put 10 of these instead. Okay, so we're going to add 10 little blocks there. And we're going to change this number now to a 9. Okay, and now we got to figure out how many is in this one. So we just added 10 and we have 1, so it's going to be 11. Okay, and now we can subtract because all the numbers on top are bigger than the numbers on the bottom. So we have 11 minus 6, so we're going to take away 6 from this little stack, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we're just going to put these aside. Okay, so 11 minus 6, to get this answer, we're just going to count how many we have left. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we're going to put 5 down here. And now we're going to look here, and we have 9 minus 6. So we're going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and we're going to set these aside. And then we're going to count how many we have left to get our answer. And that's 3. So 9 minus 6 is going to equal 3. And we look how many hundreds that we have. We realize we don't have 3 anymore because we borrowed. So we have to change that to a 2. Okay, so now our 2 minus nothing that we're taking away because there's nothing under it is going to equal just a 2. Okay, so then our answer on paper is 235. So we're going to double check our manipulatives to make sure it matches up. So we have 2 hundreds, and then we have 3 tens, so we have 230. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 235.